way you pull that white.
In the front brakes. Because they got the pipe comes in at the top. Yeah, right. Hang on, mate. Maybe there's a bow on it somewhere.
Keep in touch anyway. Hopefully it works out there for you. Give it a bit of a crack and see how it goes. But like if you're not supporting, so yeah, we all got to sort of work through for a good 6. You go back to 3 days or bloody done it. So why I just messed around with.
Oh my god!
So you're all going to go see the bloke too? I've got a green one.
Things I did when I got it was replace the rubber there. We had a yeah.
That's right.
judging. He is doing the rounds.
This
That is
thing.
happening right now. And something else that is happening right now. Your tickets. There's some great prizes. Jules, having a look before some of these. Just win yourself an RC car. There's some donations from Terra, the van man, who's here. He's donated a 128 scale Ford Focus. 12 o'clock. And they are $10 each or 6 for $50. So they make great presents if you haven't got something for your loved one for Valentine. And also while you're up this end of the town, the Reynolds Coffee Roasters Coffee is right alongside Mr. Softy. He's got choc top ice cream. I saw a kid before with a choc top ice cream. You can come up and see the guys at the Birdwood CFS and they will look after you.
I'll leave you.
Was that an option back in the day? Yeah.
$3 each or 2 for $5. Some fantastic prizes up for grabs today. And a massive...
Good afternoon, Robert. How are you? Yeah?
How are you, mate? Good? Mate, another one, not great, mate. I didn't realise you still had one. Yeah, because after we got one, they...
I put the bigger one in. Oh, yeah. Which I thought was 1200. Always been. Your bottles or even cleaned out the boot of your car this morning. You found a couple extras in there. Pop down to the CFS tent. $100 and another one here worth $180. Some amazing prizes. All right, Millie's pulled the ticket out and okay, Archer's going to pick the next ticket from the CFS. Let's go, Archer. What have we got? We've got and your prize was the remote control car, I believe. Is that right? Luxury car gift box with lots of little match. Okay, we've got another one to draw. We've got Millie back on the ticket draw again, so Millie's going to pick another ticket out the bucket. Here we go. We've got 2 bottles of wine kindly donated from the RS Owners Club of SA. Leo, he's jumped in here, he's got the ticket out. All right, here we go. Looks like a red and a white. ticket draw. And this one is, oh, this is a cool prize. It's a Barbie doll. There is so many good prizes still to come. We have left some of the best prizes.
Oh, yeah. It's a racing battery or something.
First ticket is purple, C for cat, 58. Hey, Jason, come up and grab your prize. Lachlan Thompson. We have a phone number, so we'll call Lachlan if he's not current. Yeah, this one is for a toy car, die-cast cast. It's a green ticket, B45. 12:30 raffle draw, and this one's huge. This is a bucket of heavy-duty bucket. Air freshener, quick wash detail. Times 3. Fantastic prize, a bucket full of goodies. Here we go. The next ticket to be drawn out from. The name is Sam. Congratulations, Sam, you've won a bucket full of goodies. Come up and grab. All right, folks, brilliant stuff. There is still heaps of great prizes up for grabs. We've still got an ask and a hat. We have a Route 66 board game that is to fit 3.2 metre gap between posts. It has been handmade by one. one is a cab sav. So here we go. Alex. F23. The home barbecue. This is exactly what you need. 40. The name on the ticket is Lachlan Thompson.